Namaskar bandhumane. Once again, Mahant Aditya is with you. Today, I am going to discuss about some financial literacy for each and every individual in their day-to-day life. You know, we are having some basic education. It may be like graduation, it may be your master degree, but no, we are not getting a platform where you can learn some basic financial management. Everybody is earning money. To earn money, various sources are there. You may employed somewhere, you may work in a company, you may work as a government employee, or you may do some farming job, or you can do some business. But you don't know, or many people in our country don't know the financial literacy. The moment you are having the money, you are going to the bank, asking to a banker what to do with that my money. What that banker will do, he will ask, sir, you are having so much of money, do a FD. If you do FD, you know what the rate of interest you will get it. Hardly you can get 5.9 to 6% rate of interest. Again also, if you are having some money, it's lying in the saving account, how much interest rate of interest they will give to you? It's only 2.5%. That's the reason each and every individual must have a financial planning, so that you can take the help from some of the experts are there, but you must have some basic knowledge before doing anything. And also, you know, if you are going to invest money somewhere else like mutual funds, debentures, equities, they are clear cut message there. Investment are subject to market risk. Yes, in your day to day life, if you will not take any risk, you will not get anything. इसीलिए कहावत होता है नो पेन नो गेन. Then you have to take little pain. So that I'll discuss with you guys various kinds of investment, what you can do in your life. Then why there is a requirement for an investment. You know, the moment you are buying a bike, you are going first, before buying a bike, you are thinking about buy one helmet. When you are going to buy a mobile phone, immediately you are buying one front Gorilla Glass cover, again also back cover is there. For same thing, each and every individual life is more precious. You must have something for your life. If anything went wrong, people who are all depending on you, so that they don't have a difficult life. Again also, you are having so many commitment in your life. Sometimes you want to buy a house, you want to buy a bicycle, you want to buy a motorcycle, buy a car, or you want to start a business. You are having some sister marriage is there, your own marriage, some some accidental expenses are there. How you can manage and how you can cover up all the things. Slowly, steadily, I'll discuss with you. You must have a financial plan and how you can design a financial plan. You must have some basic knowledge. Then you can go for the expert view and all. Then I'll tell you what to do, what not to do before doing anything. But you must have a financial planning like your mobile cover and your mobile glass cover. The moment you are buying a house, immediately you are doing the painting. The moment you are buying a car, you are trying to do some little jobs so that you are having a protection guard. Investment is like that. And also, most of the time or many people are doing investment and insurance. Both are not complement to each other. Insurance is something different, investment is something different. Don't mix and match. Try to take care. Slowly, slowly, I'll discuss with you so many things. Please subscribe my channel, Adigirija Productions. Like it, share it, view it, post your idea, outlook. If you are having any requirement, if you are having any query, concern, you can ask me. Thank you. Love you. Jai Jagannath.